Roofing, another big repair we have. We've already done a roof tune-up. Everything's taken care of. The weakest link is our chimney. Lot of rot, totally deteriorating. Bottom line, ripping it up to rebuild it. Also, when I have it open, I can see what kind of water damage is happening. Well, I'm here to fix it. Water damage is pretty good. We've now ruled out that as the big problem. Miss Delilah here, she has plumbing issues in her wall down here from a faucet. But we were able to rule it out. Plus, it needed to be redone. It was rotted real bad. So here now we're going to apply T111, new trim work, caulked and painted up. New fascia woods and one by all over the job, but it'll also be wrapped with a synthetic house wrap, just like you see on the new buildings out there when you're driving down the road and there's no brick or no siding or anything. But yeah, so this is totally a rebuild from roof up, and we have wiped out, and we know that our leak is not coming from there.